Hey there, how are you today? I got this kit, the German Repairman. I got a couple others as well from Miniart, just some little, sort of accessory kits. I love my accessory kits. So I got this accessory kit here to start making my little factory floor, and I built up the first little figure, and isn't he great? Miniart Figures are coming really good now. Doesn't he look amazing with his apron? His head's really nice. Everything fits together really well. Like, I haven't used any filler at all. But you don't really need filler with figures, plastic figures. If you put enough of your acetone in to bind the plastic together, and you push it together well and you push it hard, it does bond and seal it all good without any filler. But yeah, very impressive. I'm getting very impressed with Miniart's new figures, because that's where Miniart was really lacking in the figure department. They do awesome accessories, amazing kits. Like this, I've just started making this Panzer IV, the new Miniart Panzer IV. The fit is immaculate. Like, this is laser fit. I suppose, it's all computer now and stuff like that done. But this fits better than a Tamiya kit. Everything just went together, just went together perfectly. And they've got a lot of the problems worked out. You still get a bit of, see with these, it still bows in a little bit. Miniart have a problem with that, but not too bad. And the plastic's changed, so they've used a different plastic which isn't as soft as the normal stuff they use. So you can hear it. It's different. It's more crisp. So I'm not sure if it's better yet. I haven't really done enough of this model yet to really judge that yet, but I'll let you know. So what else did I get in the order? I got this kit, the German Spg Crew. They look really good, those figures. And I took the guns out and I put the guns in that kit there. But it gave the sprue with these guns on it, which is strange because you don't need guns in this kit. But it's a great addition. I didn't argue with it. And then you get the shells, 2 shell cases, and the figures. And that was the same price as the other one I showed you. And then this one, this was a little bit more expensive. This was $30 Australian. But this has got heaps of really cool stuff in it. Really cool stuff. So I'll be able to add a few of those things to my factory scene. And then there's other things we can add, like I can put all this stuff on the tanks. There's just heaps of cool stuff in there. I really like this kit. I looked through it, that's all in photo etch, so the saw there. And it's got plastic handles that you got to attach. There's that hand saw, so that hand wood saw. Right there, that's in photo etch. That's actually in plastic, that clamp. And they've got some toolboxes. All those gas canisters for the welders. They've got some nice buckets that are different to the standard buckets they put in. It's really good. I like it. I think that's a pump or something. I'm not sure what a lot of these things are. That's definitely a pump. I'm not sure, that might be a jack. You get another one of those, so I've got 2 of those now. These jerry cans are really nice. So they have photo etch in the middle, so there's photo etch in the middle, but they've also got photo etch openers. What is it? Pourers or whatever. they look nice. Got a lot of photo etch parts on it. And the detail on these is really good too. It's got all that detail, which is really nice. So I'm really happy with that. I've just been doing figure work. So we've got this guy starting to look good. I've got his rifle coming along pretty well. I'm actually pretty happy with that wood grain effect. And the camo pattern's pretty much done. Well, I think it is done actually. Just a little bit more highlighting. Let's see if we can get better lighting. That'll do. Started to do a little bit of pin washing on his pants, or on the bottom part of him. But yeah, this one I like. See, I gave his boots a nice shine. They're my boots. Your boots. There we go. But yeah, very happy with how these, and this is a Hobby Boss figure. All in all, the Hobby Boss figures, I think the hands are a bit too big. Sort of like Tamiya, but they are better than the Tamiya ones. Although Tamiya's ones after 2016 or something are really good, but yeah, before that time, Tamiya's ones are pretty bad. So, sort of the same quality level as they say a 2006 Tamiya figure. Maybe a little bit better. And all the accessories, so all the you know, things I put on his belt, his helmet and his gun, they're from Miniart. I didn't use any of the accessories from Hobby Boss. They were very, very bad. And the guns were inaccurate. Historically inaccurate. So that's that. That's him. And this guy's coming along pretty good. So he'll be in the mobile wagon. All these ones are for the Panzer Waffe scene, the Tomb of the Panzer Waffe scene. They're for the Africa Corps scene. And then I've got this, which is my factory scene. So there's the three sort of, I suppose, dioramas, you would say, that I'm sort of planning on working on. I do other things, but they're the sort of three I'm focusing on. And just, it'll take a long time. Like, I won't have these finished for ages. I'm spending all this time just doing these figures. Like, you'll spend hours and hours just on one. I just keep going. I really like figures at the moment. And it just sucks up all your time. Before you know it, the day's over. And I started building this guy, but I'm not that impressed with the last Hobby Boss figure, but we'll see how it goes. I might be able to make him look cool. And this fella here, this is the border one. The helmet's too small. I reckon his hands are a good size. But I just feel like the border one proportions were not right. It's a bit out of scale in certain areas, especially the helmet. That's way too small. Makes him look like a pinhead. So not that impressed, border. You can do better than that. But at least the paint job's good. Well, anyway, guys, I might get back to it. It's been fun talking to you. And I'll speak to you again soon.